manood ka. Ano oras ka mo nagpa-rush, Day? Oo, Day. Asa subong no init. Tuod ka. Oh my goodness. Ti ara pa ka mo da? Ti ano ni gani? Ti si Peli ara man da? Peli.
Lai, what are you doing?
Ti paano sila? Paano? Si Elizabeth may puli na to. Nag-train man biglang siya. Bako tani, kung ano, abi ko tara na lang matulog eh. Kaya the worry, dito siya mo. Di na kamo, wala na kamo sa balay nyo. Sige, Day, ha? Okay, bye-bye. Marami ko no sa rush street. Damo tao, mga tao ko no naga-t-shirt na lang mo.
Sino tunong ka to?
Sila ni Nerma.
Peli, why? Sila Rosie. Sila Rosie, wala?
No? No? That's a firehouse.
We're here?
And
we're here?
when there's gonna be a fire, they're gonna all come through out there easy.
Hi.
Can I
We're
open
just chilling in our crib.
Open it?
Oh, how do you close it, Han?
That's Eli right there,
It's not a joke.
playing with his new toy.
Close it.
Lai, what do you have to say?
Mom, it's looking at the fire.
Yeah. Oh, the fire truck?
No.
Yeah. You play tomorrow naman. You wake up early. Yeah. Sige na, Loy.
Ow.
Eloy, it's time to read the book na.
No, it's not the time to read the book. It's not.
You don't want me to read your bedtime story?
No, you can't. You read the book.
And what are you gonna do? Are you gonna listen?
Yes.
Okay. Burn o set ang ano. 6 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you, Zach. I'd love to, Yolanda said. All through January and February, Yolanda and Zach shared Zach's sled. Circle the other sleds that have 2 pals on them. 1, 2. Next, at the end of